Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Crystal. I'm a reseller over on the Poshmark app as Brick Wall Shop. I am also a stay-at-home mom and a Coast Guard wife. So I often source all my inventory online. I have very few things that I pick up in person, and I'm here to show you where I pick them up. So I recently ordered 2 ThredUP boxes, rescue boxes. One was 25 pairs of shoes and one was 25 handbags. I've never ordered these types of boxes. I've done the name brand handbags. I've done the DIY denim, but never just a huge lot of handbags or shoes. So today I have the handbags. My next video will be the shoes after they get here. They're not going to be here for a few more days. And I don't know if you can tell, but I got 2 big boxes. So let's get started. I opened these because I wasn't really sure if it was handbags. One was a handbag and one was a shoe box. But they're both handbags, are just a lot. But I haven't gone through them at all, even though it's kind of a mess in here and sort of looks like I did. So here's what we have, and let's get started. All right, and I will tell you, I'm not great with names of handbags, so bear with me. First, we have this bag. I don't know what kind of bag this is. It's not like a great bag here. I don't, EAC maybe? You can see that. I don't know. It doesn't really have a name anywhere, so. And looks like some stitching's coming out. Oh, we got lots of stitching because it's like that here and not like that over here. So if I can sell this at all, probably not for much. So that's disappointing. Next, I have this, I don't know what you call it. It's a Le Sport sack, cartoon graphic kind of like bag. Yeah, it's not, you know, just on the inside it looks like it's dirty. Yeah, it goes through onto the outside. So I don't know anything about this brand, whether it goes for or not, but I'll definitely throw this in the wash and see if I can't get that out. Next, I have this bag. Again, oh wait, here. Oh, okay, so this isn't bad. This is a Madewell bag. So I don't know what the comps go for this, but I imagine I could get something for it. Next, I have Tignanello. You can see that. I've never heard of this brand, so it has something like sticky in it. I mean, it can be washed, but on the outside, it's in pretty good shape. Just the inside needs some washing, which not a big deal. I think I probably could sell that for something, especially if it's a decent brand. Next, I have this bag. It's like a suede by Prune. I don't know that brand. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's kind of cute. So then I should be able to get something for it. Next is this cute little bag. It's Old Navy, but you know, so probably not much, but it's a cute little bag, so I could probably put that up for a little something. Next, I have this cute little crossbody bag. This is adorable. Opens like this. Oh, it's Madewell. You know, I think I've actually seen this somewhere, and it looks to be in pretty good shape. It's clean on the inside. So it just has like a little bit of some scuffs here, and I think that's just from this going in and out, but I might even be able to get that out. This thing's heavy. Next I have this bag. Again, another Madewell bag. So it's, I think it's real leather too. Yeah, like it's in good condition. Not bad. Next, looks to be a Vera Bradley tote bag. It's a good size. I don't know that much about Vera Bradley. Looks like the little thing here is torn or something. But other than that, it appears to be in good condition, and it's a good size. So if you know the print of this, leave a comment down below. I don't think it says. I'm getting fuzz in my mouth. That's lovely. But yeah, I think I could get a decent amount for this. Next, the last bag in this box, and it looks to be new, but it's from JustFab. So yeah, it's brand new. I don't know how much their handbags go for, but I'm gonna assume about 40 bucks new. It's a cute little bag though. So I probably can't get a ton of money, but enough money. And you know, there's no slip in this box, so I have to look. I'm pretty sure there's a slip in the other one, and I can tell you how much I paid for this bag. I did have, hope that doesn't fall. I did have a coupon code, so I got 20% off. They do offer those about once a month. Let's see what this says. $180. I'll leave in the comments below exactly how much I paid, because I think $180 is the price before my 20% off, but I could be wrong. And this box is heavy. Again, that's what it looks like inside. First, this nice little leather bag. And it's a, I don't know if you see that, Lucky brand. Looks like it might have like a few little pin marks on the inside here, but nothing that noticeable. Oh, and it kind of clasps like that, but it's a nice little crossbody. It's all twisted here. So that should go for an okay amount. Next, I have this bag. This is cute. I think this is a Markowski. It is. B. Makowski bag. If you watched my last video from liquidation, I got a bag that was super cute from this brand, but I know the comps on this aren't great, but this one is in good shape. there. It has magnetic. This is zip, magnetic. So, and somebody's used gum in a wrapper. That's disgusting. So, anyway, but cute bag. So I'm sure I could get a little something for this. Next, have this little bag. I don't know if this is flawed or it's supposed to be like that. It looks like it has some glue, so looks like whatever the name was is supposed to be there, and it's not. Oh, and it's the sack. So this comes from sacks. So, except for this, which could be taken, it can easily be taken off right here. I don't know if I should take it off, leave it, sell it like it is, but anyway, so it's a cute little bag. Next is this little backpack. It's like a little pouch here, zips up. No idea the brand. If anybody knows what this is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like flowers in it. But there's no tag, no name, nothing in it. So, if you know what this is, help me out. There's nothing on the zippers. So, leave a comment down below and let me know if you know. Next is this little crossbody bag. This is kind of cute. I could possibly keep this for myself. And it's Banana Republic. So, but it's a cute little like going out bag. Next is this brown leather bag. Oh, and it's a Cole Haan bag. So, I have a pair of like really cute Cole Haan shoes in my closet, and I think they're just a little bit too small for me, or they would be mine, like these little booties. But so that's cute. Next, oh, Mark by Marc Jacobs, little crossbody bag. This it's in really good shape. So, this I will look up to make sure that it's authentic. I have in the past, if you've seen my videos, received a knockoff of a Longchamp bag. So, that is possible to get. And I go through Designer Divas. There's a Facebook group, and I send them pictures, and usually, you know, if the bag's not too expensive, I just take I just get it authenticated there. If it were something of higher value, I would I would go, you know, and pay to get it authenticated. Next is this screen bag. And it is leather, I think that's what that is. I don't know if you can see that. Not familiar with this at all, but definitely not my style. But I'm sure it's somebody's. Oh, next I have this cute little Coach bag. It looks to be in good shape. It has a teeny little tiny pen mark you can't even barely see. But you know what? Okay, so it has the tag here. It has nothing inside. Made in China. To show that it's real. So, I question the authenticity of this bag. It does have like a little scuff here. In the past, when I got a bag that wasn't authentic, they did give me a percentage of my money back, but not much. Next, another Coach bag. So I'm not even done, and I think that I've gotten my money's worth. It's there's a little something there, and I've already gotten off. It just needs a slight bit of cleaning, even on the inside. And again, somebody's old gum. At least it's not chewed. I thought Coach always had something inside. Maybe I'm wrong. I mean, this does say Coach on it here. But it has like a little chain. It's cute. But again, I will get this authenticated because I don't want to be caught stealing fake stuff on Poshmark, and I'm just not for it anyway. Next, this is a big bag. It's pretty nice. It's like a little backpack. This is super cute. So it has like a zipper at the top here, and just, I don't know, you stick your phone right there and your keys. At the back, oh, you can get right into the rest of the bag. All right, that's interesting. Bottom. I mean, this is like a great like carry-on bag, if you ask me. If I could, it comes with a dust bag? No, not a dust bag. Minky Blue? Is it bad that I don't know this brand? You know what? I'm actually, I don't know, it has some kind of like little strap in here. It's padded. It's got a pocket here. This is a nice bag, if you ask me. This goes like this, I guess. I guess it's a place for your laptop. It even has like, I don't know what the strap is inside, but it still has the plastic on it. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. So, I don't know. I hope the comps on this are nice because I kind of like this bag. It's like leather here and like vinyl here. So, next, oh, there's this little purse. These chains, I think these chains are adjustable. No. Why? Guess if you wanted to make it a shoulder bag. Okay. Maybe this was a mistake to do that. All right. So, obviously I gotta fix the other side. But it's a Rebecca Minkoff. So, it's in good shape. I'm like pretty happy with this box so far. Whoops. Next, I have a Michael Kors bag. It's just a vinyl bag, and it's a Michael Kors bag, but it's in pretty good shape. Yeah, I don't see. It's in good shape. I'm pretty sure Michael Kors bags are not faked. So, the last bag that I got that was a Michael Kors, I have it up for a decent amount. Next, what's going on here? That should go back in there. this little bag here. And look, oh, you put your little lucky penny here. I'm gonna assume that this is a lucky bag. I can't tell if that's kind of dirty or just the light in here. I don't know, is that, you tell me, is this, it has lucky penny. That kind of looks like the lucky symbol, but I don't see the brand anywhere else here. And it kind of looks like it could be a lucky style. So let me know about down below if you know. And finally, this canvas bag. And it is Rachel Nasvik. I don't know that brand. I'm impressed that I've known as much as I do know on these bags. I don't sell a lot of handbags. That's why I bought this bag, because I wanted to get into selling more. But it's in, this looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't know this brand, but hopefully it's, you know, sells for something. So overall, I think I'm happy with this bag. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at Brickwall Shop. You can also find me on the Poshmark app at Brickwall Shop. And if you are interested in anything on here, they'll all be on the Poshmark, or you can message me and we could work out a deal. Anyway, thanks for joining.